Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, definitely subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and also find me on Snapchat and Instagram. So in this pack there's 6 separate sections and it's pre-stretched. So this is the Lennox Times stretched braided hair, 25 inches. So to do the hair, I'm showing you all the things that you're going to need. So this is how I've chosen to part the hair: section at the back, middle and 2 at the front, and then I clip them all together and start with the back section. So fast forward, I had gone ahead and done the majority of the hair. In this clip here, I'm showing you how I do one braid. So I've got a larger section and a smaller section of the hair. I've parted my actual hair and then I'm braiding it in and entwining my natural hair in with the hair extension. So the important is the start, make sure that it's secured safely and well, and then you just continue to do the braid as normal. So as I said, this is basically what I did for all of the braids. I didn't want to video the whole hair because that would have been very boring, but just seeing how I did this one, you can get the idea of how I did the rest. So the front section's done, the back section's all done, the middle section's more or less done, and I'm showing you again how I did the final braid. So the base is secure, and then as I was going on, I was using a bit of gel all the way to the end. So here all the braids are done, and you can see I've prepared the hot water in a bowl, and section by section I dip the tips of the hair into the hot water. You have to be very careful and make sure your towel is nearby. So once they've been dipped in, I just dry the tips, also massage my scalp and the top of the hair, and then do the same for the next section. So again, here in the hot water, I'm putting in a section of the tips, gently using the towel to squeeze off the excess water, and then I use the towel again dipped into the hot water to just massage the top of my hair and the top of the braid. So you want to do this for all of the hair. In turn, you may end up doing this about 4 or 5 times depending on how large you pack the sections. So for the final time, I'm just putting the towel in hot water, squeezing it, and then just going through the hair for the last time. So that's the almost completed look. For the final step, what I'm doing now is using some extra hold styling mousse. This is from the Nova brand, and just running it through the hair. So starting from the top, then the middle section, working it through to the back. So putting that in, and then working its way through the braids, and then doing this again. So the braids are complete. Everything's done, tips have been put in hot water, mousse is done, and hope you enjoyed the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching me show you how I do my braids. So here is me feeling these braids, got ready, about to head out soon, makeup is on, and come to the camera to show you guys how I looked. So coming up will be a video soon showing you how I put the string in the hair. Thanks for watching.